Hey YouTube, this is number 4. Just showing you from previous videos what my plan of attack was. I got the little wooden block installed that's depressing the switches. Got the zip tie on there. What I plan to do is I'll cut this little tag off and then I'm going to wrap it with some electrical tape just to keep it from moving around and stuff. But I wanted to demonstrate how leaving these switches pressed is going to allow you to start your vehicle if it is found dead in driveway. So turn it off. Got the key fobs here. Close the door, lock it. There we go. So as normal, walking up to the vehicle or whatever you're doing here. Okay, unlock it again, get in, got the key fobs, set them there on the dash, press the gas or the brake pedal, and it starts. So $900 part failed twice. Unless you want to keep throwing $900 at a 2009 Cube, just do what I did and then put everything back together. Good luck.